I can hear the purple calling. I can hear the Perky's calling. I can hear the purple calling. I can hear the Xanax calling.
Ooh, what's the deal, Perkyy? Y'all know me, I'm Perkyy, and I'm back at it again with another video. I've been gone. I want to give my apologies. I was chilling. Look, what got me up and what got me pushing is the fact that the more I chill, the more somebody out there eating. Somebody's out there taking my place, if that makes sense. So I'm like, look, you gotta get together, get on board, let's get back to these videos, and that's exactly what I'm doing. You guys were asking me to react to mukbang videos. I'm like, why the freak do y'all want those back? But it's okay, it is what it is. I already know what I'm getting myself prepared for, so there's no need to prepare. But we're gonna go ahead and react to this messy mukbang moments. Can't wait to see what this one's about. But before I click this play button, I just want to say that if this is your first time seeing me on your screen or you're a returning subscriber, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel because it's nothing but lit content like this on a consistent basis. My babies, y'all thought I wasn't gonna say y'all know me. I'm scared. I haven't watched one of these in a cool minute. Hey, look, we're matching. Oh my god, it's already started reckless to the necklace. This video is for entertainment purposes only. No hate is intended. With that said, alright.
And what we're just gonna...
That burger look fired, I ain't gonna hold you.
Come on.
He was throwing up gang, so that's how he know the food good. This what y'all wanted? If I can tell you how much calories that is. Okay, yeah, I was like, I've never seen somebody use the bag as a napkin. Smart, but different. Alright. Why did you have to dip it in both? This dude is alright. Why is he blind? Oh, this is what I'm talking about. Like, what the freak am I watching?
They should be around here somewhere.
Oh no.
I don't even care. Why is he blindfolded? What does that do?
It's big.
Is that a challenge?
Feel it. It's like a decent size.
His plate is so messy. Look at all them bottom feeders.
I know you're ready for this one. Are you ready? Are you ready? Here we go. We love cheese. Da-da. Oops. Well, I don't have a choice. We love cheese.
Don't dip the whole burger,
We
please.
love cheese.
He said we love cheese 50 times.
More.
Oh, wow.
More.
Oh, okay. And it's just oh my gosh. I feel sick. Oh.
Here we go. Ooh, look at this.
Oh god. I remember it. He's not eating bad so far. It could be worse.
Artery and 9 later.
God.
Wow. This thing right here. That's,
What is that?
the cheese.
The cheese looked fire, but like, what is that?
Let's go without cheese this time.
It was chicken? The fact that y'all missed these videos, these reactions. This is so unhealthy. Messy mukbang moments. This what y'all miss. This what y'all asked for. I will never knock nobody's hustle when it comes to YouTube. Like, I support all these people. It's just what y'all doing. Like, y'all ain't never gotta add that much emphasis when it comes to food. I know food is fire, but it ain't never been that fire. Or maybe I'm not eating the right stuff. Y'all let me know. Okay. Yeah, y'all asked for messy mukbangs. Y'all asked for mukbang reactions. I haven't done them in a while, but if you guys would like more reactions to mukbangs, please let me know in the comment section down below, because I am more than welcome to do that for y'all. If you guys actually give me a title, dang, I look, you got bright because the sun came out. If you guys give me a title of the video or a certain person or a certain compilation, that would be helpful, because right now I just see you guys are like, oh, react to more of this, but you guys don't give me a title. So the title, don't put the link, because sometimes links get sent to the spam, but if you put the title of the video, that's how I'll add it to the list and just keep reacting to it. But yeah, that was that reaction. Did y'all miss my reaction to that? But I love and appreciate each and every single one of you guys. Please go ahead and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me which one to see next in my comment section down below. I really hope I said that. I really, in the comment section down below. All my social medias in the description. And it's also right here as well. I don't know why I was stuttering, but we're gonna keep going. Oh no, it's 300K. I don't know what the freak. Look, 300K is on the way. We're supposed to be hitting that by September. Doesn't mean exactly like September 1st, but in September we're supposed to hit it. Mark my words. And then also subscribe to my vlogging / gaming channel, Perkyy TV. That will be in one of the cards. I think it pops up here if I'm not mistaken. Pops up here. That's where it pops up. Yeah, so just make sure y'all go check that out. But y'all know when I start touching my face, y'all know what I'm about to say. Have a blessed one. I'll see you on the next one. Your girl is out.